Good morning, class. Today, we are going to delve into the proper usage of articles with countable nouns. Articles help us determine whether we are referring to a specific noun or any noun of a particular category. Let's get started. Can anyone remind me what countable nouns are?
Countable nouns are nouns that can be counted individually.
Excellent. You're absolutely right. Today, we will be focusing on how to use articles, a and the, with countable nouns. Let's explore some animated conversations to better understand their usage. Here we have Emma and Alex discussing their pets. Listen carefully to their conversation.
I have a cat. Her name is Luna.
I have a dog named Max.
Based on their conversation, can anyone identify the articles used with the countable nouns?
They use the indefinite article a with cat and dog.
Perfect. Emma and Alex used the indefinite article a with countable nouns, cat and dog. The indefinite article is used when referring to any nonspecific countable noun. Now, let's listen to Lily and Ben discussing a specific book they both love.
Have you read the Harry Potter series?
Yes, I've read the first book. It's amazing.
What articles did Lily and Ben use when referring to the countable noun, book?
They use the definite article the with the book.
Well done. Lily and Ben used the definite article the with the countable noun, book. The definite article is used when referring to a specific countable noun. Let's have a question-answer session to reinforce our understanding of using articles with countable nouns. Raise your hand if you know the answer. Question 1. When do we use the indefinite article a or an with countable nouns?
We use a or an with nonspecific countable nouns.
Excellent. A or an are used with nonspecific countable nouns to indicate any one of that category. Question 2. When do we use the definite article the with countable nouns?
We use them with specific countable nouns.
Perfect. The is used with specific countable nouns, indicating that it is a particular noun that both the speaker and listener are aware of. Question 3. Can you think of an example where we don't use any article with countable nouns?
Dogs make great companions.
Great job. In that sentence, dogs is used without any article because it refers to countable nouns in a general or plural sense. When using articles with countable nouns, the indefinite articles a or an are used with nonspecific countable nouns, while the definite article the is used with specific countable nouns. It's also important to note that countable nouns can be used without any article when referring to them in a general or plural sense. That brings us to the end of our lesson on using articles with countable nouns. I hope you enjoyed our animated conversations and found them helpful in understanding the proper usage of articles. Remember, learning grammar can be fun when we explore new concepts together.